2025 GMC Sierra AT4. We just finished up this truck here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. We equipped this truck with our premium package. Premium package meaning a 4 up to a 6-inch lift with your choice of 17, 18, 20-inch wheels, and to be able to run 35 to 37-inch tires. Check out how nice this truck looks. All nice and black, murdered out look. If you got one of these trucks, GMC Sierra AT4, and you're looking for this type of look, let me show you what you need to do. Starting on the suspension, we threw on a 4-inch BDS kit. As you can see, this kit's gonna come with your upper control arms, your new spindles, your sway bar drop brackets. Since this truck is a diesel, it comes with the strut spacers. You're also gonna be getting brand new cross members. Check out that BDS logo. Flex on all those haters. Drive a real boss's truck with BDS. With this kit, you're also going to be getting the rear Fox shocks, Fox 2.0s in the rear. And you get a 5-inch block to lift the rear. One thing I want to mention about these BDS kits is get a lifetime warranty on their parts. Also, since your truck is an AT4 Trail Boss and already come 2 inches lifted in the front, this 4-inch kit is going to yield your truck at a 6-inch total lift. So for the wheel and tire package, did these 20-inch fuel coverts, 20x9 with a +1 offset and a matte black color. Wrapped it in a 35, 12.5, 20 Nitto Ridge Grappler. Best tire you can buy. Best tire on the market. Makes zero noise but has that nice aggressive look. Check out the poke and stance on the 20x9 with a +1 offset. As you can see, this is the perfect amount of poke. It's going to give you that nice off-road stance. On this setup, the only part we had to trim is on this lower valence right here. Had to cut it a little bit, but other than that, it does not rub. So perfect fitment on this setup, as well as you get to keep your rear mud flaps. And best of all, this is going to fully level the truck. Check out the side view on this. Perfectly leveled front to rear. The best setup you can buy for your AT4. Turn it into a real boss truck. Stunt on all those people. Make it turn heads. And if you got one of these trucks, your 19 to 26 GMC Sierra AT4 or regular Chevy Silverado and Sierras, and you're looking for this type of look, we got the solution here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. Comment below what you guys think of this build from 1 to 10, and hit us up here. We're in Phoenix, Arizona. Cosmos Truck Accessories.